Hey guys, just a real quick tutorial on how to access the Madaya Mom online comic. So you'll go to the link that I sent to you. It should take you to this ABC News site. And if you scroll down, it'll say Madaya Mom. And as you go down, you're going to keep scrolling down. And when you get to this right here, that is actually the online comic. All right, there's more things below it. But you'll click on here, and then you can you'll see you can make it full screen, and then there's a little arrow, and if you push on the arrow, it'll show it to you. Now, it sort of cuts off a little bit at the bottom, and if you go to full screen, you'll be able to see a little bit more of it, but then you'll just click on the little arrow. Let me go back to there you go, to the little arrow, and then it will continue to move through, and you'll be able to see the comic that was made. It has obviously a description at the top, and then there's some text at the bottom, and then you'll make your way through all of the comic strip that was produced. It is based on a true story from the city of Madaya. There's an introduction on your paper there, and you'll answer the question. So that's the information that's right here, and that's how you find the comic. You can also, if you click on this icon, you can see all of the slides are there. You can also do it that way if you would prefer. So hope it's helpful. Thank you. See ya.